Welcome to a tangy journey of wellness and flavor. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of apple cider vinegar, that humble kitchen staple with extraordinary health benefits. Join us as we unlock the secrets of this elixir, exploring its science-backed advantages, culinary applications, and debunking common myths. From weight management to digestive health, skincare to detoxification, apple cider vinegar has got it all covered. So whether you're an ACV enthusiast or a curious newcomer, get ready to sip, savor, and discover why this liquid gold has taken the wellness world by storm. Subscribe now, and let's kickstart your journey to a healthier, more vibrant you with the magic of apple cider vinegar. Let's jump into today's session. Research suggests that apple cider vinegar may have beneficial health properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy. People have used it for centuries in cooking and natural medicine. It may have some health benefits. These may include aiding weight loss, reducing cholesterol, lowering blood sugar levels, improving the symptoms of diabetes. However, little research exists, and further studies are needed before it can be recommended as an alternative therapy. This video examines the evidence behind 6 possible health benefits of apple cider vinegar. The information on the Fine Health channel is offered solely for general and educational reasons and does not replace professional medical guidance or treatment. For any ailments or medical concerns you may have, please get advice from a physician. 1. High in healthful substances. Acetic acid is vinegar's primary active compound, giving it its strong, sour smell and flavor. Researchers believe this acid is responsible for apple cider vinegar's health benefits. Cider vinegars are 5–6% acetic acid. Organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar also contains a substance called mother, which consists of strands of proteins, enzymes, and friendly bacteria that give the product a murky appearance. Some people believe the mother is responsible for most of its health benefits, although no studies currently support this. While apple cider vinegar does not contain many vitamins or minerals, quality brands may contain some amino acids and antioxidants. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting the sugar from apples. This turns them into acetic acid, which is a main active ingredient in vinegar and may be responsible for its health benefits. 2. Can help kill harmful bacteria. Vinegar can help kill pathogens, including some strains of bacteria. People have traditionally used vinegar for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar to clean wounds more than 2,000 years ago. Vinegar is also a food preservative. Studies show it inhibits bacteria like E. coli from growing in and spoiling food. If you're looking for a natural way to preserve your food, apple cider vinegar could help. Anecdotal reports also suggest that diluted apple cider vinegar could help with acne when applied to the skin, but there doesn't seem to be any strong research to confirm this. The main substance in vinegar, acetic acid, can kill harmful bacteria or prevent them from multiplying. It has a history of use as a disinfectant and natural preservative. 3. May help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. To date, one of the most convincing applications of vinegar is helping treat type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by high blood sugar levels caused by insulin resistance or the inability to produce insulin. However, people without diabetes can also benefit from keeping their blood sugar levels in the typical range, as some researchers believe that high blood sugar levels are a major cause of aging and various chronic diseases. The most effective and healthful way to regulate blood sugar levels is to eat a balanced diet low in refined carbs and sugar, but apple cider vinegar may also have a beneficial effect. A 2019 clinical trial suggests apple vinegar consumption may have beneficial effects on the glycemic index and oxidative stress in individuals with diabetes and dyslipidemia. A 2021 review of clinical trials found that ACV consumption may benefit glycemic status in adults. But the study's authors note that the findings should be interpreted with caution, as more extensive studies are still needed to better understand apple cider vinegar's potential benefits. Other human studies determined that vinegar may improve insulin function and lower blood sugar levels after meals. The National Centers for Complementary and Integrative Health, NCCIH, says it's important that people do not replace medical treatment with unproven health products. Apple cider vinegar is generally recognized as safe. But if you're taking blood sugar lowering medications, talk with a doctor before increasing your vinegar intake. Apple cider vinegar has shown promise in improving insulin sensitivity and helping lower blood sugar responses after meals. 4. May aid weight loss. Perhaps surprisingly, studies show that vinegar could help people lose weight. Several human studies show that vinegar can increase feelings of fullness. This can lead to eating fewer calories and losing weight. One review of research noted that in short-term studies, when participants consumed apple cider vinegar with a meal containing solid foods, they experienced appetite suppression for 120 minutes after the meal. They also snacked less for 3 to 24 hours after consuming the apple cider vinegar. However, the longer-term studies they reviewed showed no relationship between apple cider vinegar and appetite suppression. That said, simply adding or subtracting single foods or ingredients rarely has a noticeable effect on weight. Long-term weight loss is created by adopting helpful and supportive diet and lifestyle habits. Overall, apple cider vinegar may contribute to weight loss by promoting satiety, lowering blood sugar, and reducing insulin levels. Apple cider vinegar only contains about 3 calories per tablespoon, which is very low. Some studies suggest that vinegar can increase feelings of fullness and help you eat fewer calories, which may lead to weight loss. 5. May improve heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death. Several biological factors can affect your risk for heart disease. Research suggests that vinegar could possibly improve some of them, but many studies on apple cider vinegar's benefits were conducted in animals, which may not reflect the benefits in humans. A 2020 review of studies in both humans and animals noted that apple cider vinegar may potentially benefit levels of high-density lipoprotein, low-density lipoprotein, triglycerides, and total cholesterol. A 2021 review of research in humans found that apple cider vinegar may benefit total cholesterol levels. But both reviews pointed to limitations in the quality and size of research available to support these claims. Researchers need to do more studies before reaching any strong conclusions. Several animal studies have shown that vinegar can reduce blood triglycerides, cholesterol, and blood pressure. However, there is no strong evidence that it leads to a reduced risk of heart disease in humans. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos.